Mr. Muman, give me the 4-finger count.
Ayo, I'm coming with aggression, no question, I'm steadily progressing. I'm rhyming with time and money invested. I've been stressing since I was an adolescent. Now shit's so dope I could get charged with possession. Professional, since cut from the umbilical. Battle me, yo, that'll be hysterical. Don't trip or you'll get whipped by this miracle. I'm very cool and put in a hot situation for real. I'll send you on a permanent vacation. I'm lacing this track, I attack with anger. Lure you into my tent and scream Revenga. Now watch the blood spill as you die. Sparks fly when real killers collide. I'm fearless, that's why you feel this inside. I'm clever, I never ever let shit slide. I electrify the next to try to tangle with Madchild. We'll get work from every angle. I dismantle and handle with chaos and mayhem and cold rock a party until the 8 a.m.
Wake up to murderous days and horrified nights.
But I see you, that's why I stay true. Down with the hardest to hit.
Making MC stop and chill and say it's all
Wake
bad.
up to murderous days and horrified nights.
But I see you, that's why I stay true. Down with the hardest to hit.
Making MC stop and chill.
We'd like to take this time to give the competition thanks, so the people in my ranks got a chance to use their shanks. We'd like to take this time for the competition's aid, cause I finally got a chance to test my new razor blades. We'd like to take this time for the competition's heights. It was useful in the usage of my coroner's floodlight. We'd like to take this time to give the competition praise for donations of dental records after I set the blaze.